So I just came across this text editor called NED, and it's got these retro-style shader effects. Like, what even is that?
Wait, shader effects in a text editor. That's unexpected. I usually think of shaders for games or graphics.
Right, but apparently they enhance the coding vibes with effects like static noise and bloom. It's like a retro gaming aesthetic.
That's a fascinating twist. But does that actually help with productivity, or is it just eye candy?
Good question. I think the idea is to create a more engaging environment, which could make coding feel less monotonous.
Sure, but there's also research suggesting that too much visual stimulation can be distracting. So it's a double-edged sword.
Totally, and speaking of features, NED has this multi-cursor support. Isn't that a game changer for editing?
Absolutely. The ability to manage multiple cursors can drastically speed up coding tasks. It's like having superpowers.
But how do you think that stacks up against more traditional editors? Are we moving away from simpler interfaces?
It might be a trend, but I'd argue simpler interfaces have their own charm and can enhance focus. It's all about balance.
That's so true. I mean, there's something comforting about a minimalist interface. It's less overwhelming.
And let's not forget about the LSP integration. NED supports multiple language servers for features like go-to definition.
That's interesting, but does this mean it's only suitable for experienced developers? Beginners might get lost in all these features.
That's a valid point. Complex features can be intimidating, but they also provide advanced tools for those who need them.
Plus, it seems like it's designed to be embeddable in other applications. That opens up a whole new level of use cases.
Exactly. Being able to integrate it into other ImGui projects could make it a favorite among developers working on custom tools.
Have you noticed how it also supports emoji? It's like they're making coding fun and quirky.
Right, but I wonder how practical that really is. Does it distract or add to the experience?
Maybe a bit of both, but it's a unique selling point. It could attract a younger audience or those looking for a fresh take.
Good point. And with its custom lexers, it seems like it could handle even obscure programming languages.
But do you think it's a stretch? I mean, niche languages might not need such intricate features.
That's a fair critique. Sometimes simpler tools are better for niche languages, especially if they don't have extensive community support.
I guess it boils down to user preferences. Some might love the power, others might just want simplicity.
Exactly. And considering it runs on multiple platforms, the accessibility is a definite plus.
Definitely, it's appealing that it supports macOS, Windows, and Linux. That's a big deal.
But then again, compatibility issues can arise. That might create confusion for users switching platforms.
True, it's a balancing act, but the automated dependency management on Windows sounds like a lifesaver.
For sure, that could save a lot of headaches for developers who aren't keen on manual setups.
And what's this about an AI agent that uses OpenRouter? That sounds pretty cutting edge.
Oh yeah, that could be a game changer using AI for coding tasks. But is it reliable enough?
Good question. AI tools still have limitations. They can assist but might not replace human judgment.
Exactly. So, while NED seems innovative, it's essential to recognize where it might fall short.
Yeah, we can't overlook the potential for user error when relying too heavily on AI.
And that makes me wonder, with all these features, is NED trying to do too much?
Potentially, sometimes less is more, but we'll see how it evolves with user feedback.
Definitely. It's fascinating to keep an eye on these developments in text editor technology.
And who knows, maybe NED will set new trends in both design and functionality.
Absolutely. Let's keep watching how it impacts the coding community. It's an exciting time for tech.
For sure, and it's always refreshing to see something new shaking up the status quo.
Totally. I can't wait to see how users respond to it in the real world.
So do you think we'll see more editors adopting features like shaders and AI integration?
I wouldn't be surprised. As developers seek engagement, we might see more creative features emerge.
Interesting, it's like the evolution of coding environments is just beginning.
Exactly. And it's exciting to think about the possibilities we haven't even considered yet.